get up at all. He said, no, I know who you are. You please bless me that I should have Rama Darshana. And the old man said, are you joking? I am listening to your katha so I can be blessed with Rama Darshana. It's only with your kripa that I can get. Goswamiji said, no way. I am not leaving you. I know you are Hanumanji. You have to bless me. And Hanumanji understood that he has realized who I am. So he showed his Swarupa and he hugged him. He said, I am so happy with you, Tulsi. Your Ramayana is so beautiful. From that day they became friends, it seems. Goswami says, Pavana Tanaya Parama Sakha. In one of the Kirtans he says, Hanumanji is my best friend. And every day, he used to come only as an old man. But he knew that it was Hanumanji. Every day after Katha, they will sit on the banks of Ganga and they talk. And Hanumanji would say, you were right, that's how it happened. And that's what I did. That's what Rama did. He would tell all the extra points and our Goswamiji would relish it. Hanumanji told Ramachandra Prabhu. And one day Hanumanji came to this Katha and he said, Tulsi, I have a good news for you. He said, what? Bhagavan said, tomorrow Punarvasu, Bhagavan will come to your house to give you darshan. He'll give you darshan. And Goswamiji said, see, I don't want darshan like in the yogic state. When I close my eyes, Bhagavan will come, then he'll go. I don't want that. I want him to come like he came to Shabari's house. He has to come to my house. I should open the door. He should enter. I should take aarti. He should sit. I should do pada puja. I should offer him fruits. I should offer him flowers. And then he should spend the night with me. Next day morning I will do prabodhanam for him. I will feed him again. Then if he wants, he can leave.